it? Is that their program?
I think it's iTalk.
iTalk.
Yeah.
Easy. For how many Comic-Con did you attend?
Probably 8 or 9 or 10.
Let's talk a little bit about Clay's journey this season, where maybe we start, and where he is headspace-wise, I guess.
Well, Clay's journey is the same as the club's journey. You know, the task of the day is to get the kid back. The kid's been kidnapped. So all individual sort of notions and impulses have to be shelved. It's all hands on deck. It's we get the kid back. We are, as opposed to season 1, parts of season 2, where we were kind of setting the agenda. The agenda has been set for us now. We are basically just following leads and obsessively, unrestingly trying to find the kid and answer this horrific violation.
How far in shooting are you?
About 65%.
Oh, okay.
How do you bring? How do you, as an actor, sort of bring? As an actor, how do you bring out the? I guess
the beer.
The beer.
I bring it out usually with my left hand.
No, but the humanity, the balance, like bringing out the humanity and likable qualities in a character that obviously has a lot of qualities that many people would not be attracted to. Where do you find that line inside?
It's funny because I think I go back and look at the pilot episode, and, my character is pretty one-dimensional because I was obsessed with introducing him and who he was. And then you get episode 2, they deliver it to you and you read it and you go, I guess this gig is not a one-off like a movie, you got to, and that is the blessing of doing a television show is that's with the benefit of time you get to layer the guy and nuance the guy, and a lot of the time it's being done for you by what he's situationally doing in each episode we find him in. All the way up to, sitting at the dinner table and listening to his wife say she's been gang raped. What's the reaction to that? So, you're constantly being challenged with you already know the facade, you already have the infrastructure of the guy, but the beauty of doing a TV show where you truly get to explore character for the amount of time that God has given us, three seasons now, is phenomenal for an actor because, you're finding out things about him simply because of what Kurt's handing you to do that you didn't know he had. And then you say, yeah, I can fit that color in without violating the infrastructure. I can find that place in somewhere in the depths of his soul that is something that he answers to, that he is deeply aware of.
We got to start our panel.
Jesus Christ, I'm on a roll here.
We're on a roll.
But you can blame me for it because we got to go start the panel. None of these are on.
Scott. Ladies and gentlemen, that's
Thank you all very much.
SEOMIN
Thank you all very much.
Thank you.
You can go next door.
Should I come with you? Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I have not heard that. This is the first I'm hearing.
Yes, I should. All right.
If he revisits it, I hope I'm alongside him for it.
All right, we got to roll.
Good luck.
All right.
Who says that?
Thank you. Good luck with season 3.
Somebody left the recorder.
It's fine.
Okay.
Let's pay for it.